Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have operator privileges and the exact game version. This avoids mismatches. Once done, enable cheats or open to LAN temporarily so you can run diagnostic commands. Make a full backup of the realm files, copy level, DAT, server, properties, and any region folders, so you can restore if needed. These steps prevent data loss and ensure the environment matches tools you'll use. Now move directly to extracting readable data from the saved files or the running server. You open level, DAT with NBT Explorer or another NBT editor. This lets you inspect nested tags safely. Navigate to data, then world gen settings and read the seed or find the random seed field. This numeric value is the realm seed. If the server is active and you have permissions, type /seed in chat to get it instantly. Make sure to record the full signed 64-bit value. Truncating can change results. Once extracted, test by creating a local world with that seed to verify terrain and structures map. You finish by importing the seed into a new local world to confirm it reproduces the realm's terrain and landmarks. This validates your extraction. If the landscape differs, double-check the game version, world generation settings, and whether data was modified by plugins or mods. Corrupted level. DAT can give wrong values. Revert to your backup and re-extract. One key troubleshooting tip: if /seed returns an unexpected number, restart the server and recheck files. Transient plugins or mismatched NBT editors often cause
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.